tester on Tryhackme. We're gonna go over Nmap in depth this time because we've kind of went over a lot of tools, but
Nice.
we're gonna deep dive, and then we're gonna start the introduction to web hacking on Tryhackme, and also the intro to red team. So that sounds like a lot. We probably won't get it all done this week, but let's get these intros started. Let's get things going. So I'm gonna show you an overview of all of that, and then after we get done with that, we're gonna do cap, and we'll see how we feel tonight trying to mess around with another box. For tomorrow, or for the rest of the week, so tomorrow we're gonna do the Valentine Hack the Box. Why not? It's Valentine's. It just sounds perfect, right?
I love it.
We'll get in depth with that, but it'll be talking about the heartbleed vulnerability. And then we'll kick it off and finish boot.dev Python. So we'll be doing our loops, our lists, our dictionaries, and I'll show you a little bit of VS Code.
Yes!
This will be a few things, a few tools we'll run across. Limpies, Wireshark, GTF opens, and there's actually way more tools. I just didn't want to write it down and talk you to death. For those who are just joining, we have already talked about permissions. We've talked about, let me see what else is out here. These are the boxes we have completed. We've completed actually more, I just haven't wrote them all down. But for HacktheBox, we've done lame already, OSINT, and nibbles, and then tomorrow we'll do Valentine, and we'll add some more as we go. Eventually we want to get into the pro labs. The cool thing is with Tryhackme, we finally start doing some boxes for Tryhackme, as I'll show you very soon. So get ready for that. And then we've been using another amazing site called boot.dev, where we've learned Python, but this is all the other stuff. Obviously, this is stuff that's going to take weeks and months, but I'm just kind of letting you see where we're heading. This site actually, or this YouTube page isn't just, or channel isn't really just random. I've actually put some thought and heart and soul into it. So these will be some of the tools we'll be working on. We've actually worked on, or seen at least. So I have a check system. The green checks are going to be, we've seen it, you've seen me use it in one of my past videos, but more importantly, you will. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Tina. Oh, it's going down today. It's going down for real, Stephanie. But anyway, so if you see any green arrows, that just means that we've talked about it, we ran across it, we've done a little bit, but if you see a red one, that means we went into depth. So today we're gonna get our first red one for Nmap. So you've seen all of this when it comes to tools. Let me show you a little bit of other things just for people who haven't been on the page yet, or first timers. We've already done Python. We've made a tool in Python. We haven't done none of that yet. We've covered most of the networking basics. We haven't deep dived on any of it. Linux, between Linux 1 and 2. I don't even know if you guys can watch 2, because 2's kind of choppy. I'm new to this YouTube game, so I'm just doing the best I can, if you know what I mean. But if you can make it through the Linux 2, that'll give you a red mark. If you guys want me to redo it again, or mention anything, or go in depth, no, don't be shy. You can talk to me about barbecue chicken if you want right now. I don't care, as long as it's positive and it's chat. But anyway, so we've done commands, permissions, tmux we've talked about, and then we head into Windows. That's on its way. Scripts on its way, and then let's see what else is. Protocols, we've done some of those, and then bug bounties, that's out there. So anyway, we've talked enough. We've done a lot of showing what we're going to get into. Let's actually get into some stuff. So for Tryhackme, I'm trying to go back, so it is. All right, so you guys can do all this like super beginner stuff at the beginning if that's what you're interested in. But obviously this channel is kind of focusing on being a pen tester, ethical hacker. So, you want to know cybersecurity, jobs, and all that, But what we're getting into is right in the middle. We going right into the heart of it. So we're gonna do, eventually we're gonna do the junior pen tester, which is what we're gonna do, start on today. Then we're gonna work on our web fundamentals, and then web application. Obviously you see what all's here, and then there's another one. I don't remember how to get there though, but it's just another secret one, but it's just the same thing with pen testing. It's just some more extra pen testing stuff. With that being said, this will probably be the first thing we'll work on, intro to web hacking. And this intro to pen testing is like, oh, what are the fundamentals? And that's just, we've already talked about that, to be honest. And then eventually we'll work our way through Burp Suite. So we're just gonna run all of this. And then obviously I'll be adding my own insights and whatever I can throw in there. But I'm kind of going to be learning just like you. So we're going to walk the application. But before we do, I'm going to show you something else on HacktheBox, what we're going to be doing. So on HacktheBox, we're going to do something called a track, which just keeps me from just doing random stuff, which I really like this. And this actually just came out, what, today or yesterday, within the last week for sure. This track specifically, and it focuses on red team, which is, we already know, pen testing, ethical hacking. I've done some of the boxes, but we're gonna go back and do every single one. So that's why we're gonna be doing CAP today. We'll see how we do, but yeah, so that's one of the things we're gonna go over. And then we are going to